I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to connect your Google Ad mob, okay, on Hostinger website builder. So what you're going to have to do first is here on the website builder, just click on integrations, click on the three dots and then integrations. And then here, if you scroll it a bit down, here you should find Google Ad mob. And then here, just to click on connect, and then here just paste the content of your app ads.txt file with the publisher ID. Now for more instructions, sign in your Admob account, and then you're gonna have to follow like those instructions here is gonna help you set up app ads.txt file for your app, and then you're gonna have to open here integrations. You're gonna go here and then just paste the code there. Don't forget to save and save the changes, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.